Doon tayo sa kabila. Doon tayo.
Binigay. No. Here, wala tayong kakampi. Doon, madami.
Okay.
Turn around. Mamaya ng picture.
Uy, aki ka kayo. Step ka, aki ka.
Na hindi ka. Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo.
Ano? Okay. Again. The Bern clock, the biggest clock in Switzerland. We're waiting for 8 o'clock time. See? Almost. Oh! It's time. See? It's time now. At least, we wait already. Witness namin ang, mga friends, see, na-witness namin ang time ng big clock. See the people around. Ipakita natin yung mga tao dito. See the people here around are waiting. Nag-wait sila ng kwan. Yeah. See, madami naghihintay sa bell ng clock, ringing clock. See, that the one, the